Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naim Abbas. I am from Labs Binyameen campus. Today I deliver a lecture on page number 48, lecture number 14. Question number 3. The layers below have been made with the centimeter cubes. Write the volume of each layer using the rule. Volume is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by age, यानी height. आपके पास ये फार्मूला. Then we do this now. First example done for you. Then part 1 I do for you. Part 1. Count these blocks. 1, 2 and 3. Then 1, 2 and 3. Height only 1. Okay. Length is 3. Breadth is 3. Then height have only one block. Then you say has one block. Then you say 1 centimeter. Part A done for. Length 3 centimeter, breadth 3 centimeter, height 1 centimeter. Volume length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Then first example, part A, question number 3 done. Question number 4. Now find the volume of each of these cuboid made of centimeter cubes. Now length, breadth and height given. Then find the cube. Okay, again count these blocks. 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. Okay, then breadth 1, 2, 3. Question number 4, part A done for you. Question number 4, part A. Length is equal to 3 centimeter, height 3 centimeter, breadth 3 centimeter, volume is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by age. Then 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, the answer we got 27 centimeter cube. Question number 5. Work out and find the volume of each box. First part done for you. Find the volume. Height given, breadth given and length given. Question number 5, part A. Volume is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Then 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 8. We got the answer. Volume is 120 centimeter cube. Question number 6 done for you. First volume we got 120 centimeter square. Then 112 centimeter square. Question number 7. Calculate the volume of cuboid each with this measurement. Length given, breadth given and height. Then all values multiply, we got the answer. Question 7, part A. Length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. 9 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 4, we got the answer. 54 centimeter cube. 54 centimeter cube. Question number 8. Similarly, we find the height. Now write the formula. Volume is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Volume is 240. Then length multiplied by breadth. 8 5s are 40. Then 40 divided by the volume, we got the answer 6 centimeter.